brothers, my good brothers, we got to do better. Don't get me wrong, all men aren't bums. No, and we ain't gonna let nobody make it seem like all men are bums because of the few bums that are men. Men have integrity. Men live by strong ethics. Men are protectors. Men let their women know that it'll be. A man covers. A man gives his name and his life. A man will work so you don't have to. A man will give you the shirt off of his back. A man will build a home. And I'm not talking about brick by brick. I'm talking about integrity by integrity. I'm talking about good character by good character. Instruction by instruction. Love by love. A man will build his house. A man will hug his boys and cover his girls. A man will take care of the things that are important. A man will make sure he has a family, not just children.